Hi friends, I am Saitith and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to do the 4G Plus speed test and the download test comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus the Realme X1 Max device. So in this kind of testing, I'll try to use a Jio SIM card. So let's see which phone will be having what kind of speeds, downloads and what kind of browsing speeds as well. That is what I'm going to exactly check in this video. I'll try to download the application from the Play Store in both phones. I'll try to use the stopwatch to see which phone is downloading faster and better. That is what I'll try to concentrate. And one more quick information, the OnePlus Nord 2 did receive the software update today. So around, I think, couple of hours ago, maybe 8 to 10 hours ago back, I did receive the software update in this phone. And after that, I did do plenty of videos as well regarding the 4G Plus. And this is my first time doing the comparison video with the Realme X1 Max. Let's see which phone will be having what kind of better signals. So first, let me show you what kind of bandwidth both phones are connected exactly. Let me try to open the RX Monitor application in both phones and show you the carrier aggregation, whether it's kind of coming or not. Right now in the carrier aggregation, as you can see the 2CA in the Realme X1 Max. This is a Jio SIM card, as you can see friends clearly. And in the OnePlus Nord 2, you will get the 4G Plus. Not now, after some time you'll definitely get it. So don't worry at all. As you can see friends, right now you're getting 2CA. You're getting exactly. So now it's gone. But when you're trying to do the test, this 4G Plus will be absolutely working. As you can see the difference between these two phones, 2CA. So 5 plus 10 and 10 plus 5 you are getting, as you can see. So now both are kind of getting same. Now both are exactly same carrier aggregation. Now let me try to do the download test at same time. Let's see which phone will be able to download faster. First let me try to clear all the background applications. As you can see friends, right now there is no background applications running, just only Play Store itself. So let's start the test first. Let's see which phone will be able to finish at what kind of speeds. So both phones are started at same time. As you can see, both phones are started at the same time, and the OnePlus Nord 2 is trying to finish first and trying to be in the lead, and both phones are having the 4G Plus aggregation. And you can see the backside stopwatch as well. Let's see which phone will be able to complete faster. And this is the OnePlus Nord 2 and this is the Realme X1 Max. So right now the OnePlus Nord 2 is finishing faster. As you can see, it finished faster. Same Jio SIM at same location, as you can see. 4G Plus. So right now the time is about close to 11:30 at night time. So every time I'll try to do the 4G Plus speeds only during the night time, because that is a perfect time for me to get the exact bandwidth. So complete speed I can actually take it. That's the reason I thought of doing every time in the night times only. So let me try to quickly uninstall. And in terms of the at one speed, the OnePlus Nord 2 won at same time when I'm trying to do it at same time. So now let me try to do the individual test. So individual test will be completely different. That is the reason I'm trying to do the individual test. So when you try to do the individual, you'll get the really good speeds. Try to observe the top notification speeds. Now you're getting 2 Mbps of speeds. As you can see, 2.10 Mbps of speed. Not bad, 2.10. I'll try to stop exactly the stopwatch when it's complete. Finished in 19 seconds. 19 seconds the OnePlus Nord 2 took to download 30 MB of file. 19 seconds the Spotify application. Let's see how much the Realme X1 Max can take. Same file. 1, 2, 3. So try to observe the maximum speeds. We did see 2.10 Mbps maximum. In the Realme X1 Max, I think we will be able to see maximum 2 Mbps if you're seeing, not bad. 2, 1.70. So 19 Mbps speeds in 19 seconds in the OnePlus Nord 2, and in the Realme X1 Max, let's see how much more time it's taking. So 23 seconds of time. So 23 seconds of time the Spotify application took to download, as you can see friends clearly. And it also depends upon the location to location and type of SIM you're using as well. But in my location, these are the results I did find out. So this is the download test. So now I did say about the speed test. Let me try to do the speed test application. Yes. So let's start the speed test at same time in both phones. Now there is no need of this stopwatch at this moment. So both phones are connected to the same server as well, Jio Hyderabad. As you can see, at same time they both are started. So this is going to be really epic. So let's see which phone can actually take most of the Wi-Fi. Right now the OnePlus Nord 2 is taking so much of the Wi-Fi, as you can see friends. Sorry, most of the 4G data, not the Wi-Fi. Sorry. So 4G data. OnePlus Nord 2, same SIM card at same location. You can see the speeds, how they are. The Jio SIM I'm trying to use at same time. Slightly better. I need to test one more thing. So which is a Battlegrounds mobile ping value. That is the one thing which I need to test. So in case if you're interested in that, let me know in the comment section below. So tomorrow morning I'll be able to upload that video, ping value. So because right now I can definitely say the signals, or I think the speed slightly increasing in the OnePlus Nord 2. So I'm not sure why, but let's see. I'm trying to do it same time in both phones, and the OnePlus Nord 2 connected to the server first. So if you remember my videos, the Realme X1 Max used to connect faster to the servers. Right now it's taking some time. So the highest speed is about 19.3 Mbps. Let's see in the Realme X1 Max how much the Realme X1 Max can get the speeds. Maximum up to, not bad, 13 Mbps, 13, 12. Come on, 13, 12, 11, 12 Mbps. As you can see, the speeds in the Realme X1 Max, not bad. So now the final test I'll try to do is to do the individual speed test. So these are the speeds which I did at same time. Let's do the individual speeds. Let's see which phone will be able to survive this kind of individual speeds. So for more this kind of details, try to check the 4G plus speed test. There's a 4G plus speed test playlist is available. That playlist will give you the clear idea of what is happening with which type of phone. There's a ping value as well. Everything will be in one single playlist. Now let's start in the OnePlus Nord 2. So here's a OnePlus Nord 2, as you can see friends clearly. The OnePlus Nord 2, let's see what will be the maximum speeds this time. So not bad, 16, 17, 18 Mbps of speeds, 19. So these are the indoor extreme conditions. So here I'll be able to expect only maybe close to 15, but not more than that sometimes. So anything more than 15, I will be really very much happy. That's the one thing, because I know the speeds in my studio, how much I will be getting. So now let me do the test in the Realme X1 Max right now. So this is going to be really interesting, friends. So Realme X1 Max, let's see how much this phone can actually get the speeds. So 12, 13, it's trying to get to the 15, yes, 15, 16, no, 15. No, it's not getting above 15 at this point. This is a Realme X1 Max, as you can see at the same location. Both are 4G plus supported, so both phones are 4G plus, so you should not be worried about those things. 13.7 versus 17.3. You can see the speeds, as you can see clearly side by side. These are the speeds now we are getting. So 13.3 versus 0.97. So final thing, let me try to do that same time, and by this I'll try to end up this kind of video, the summary, everything. So I did find the OnePlus Nord 2 has got slight advantage in terms of speeds. Now let's see whether this will be increasing more or not. Yes, the Realme X1 Max is increasing more, and the OnePlus Nord 2 slightly is kind of close to 5. I'm not sure why, but it's kind of going up, but 7 Mbps, 7.18, so 8.70. That is the reason I'm trying to do the multiple time testing, not 1 or 2 times. If I try to do the 3 or 4 times, only then you will be able to understand properly what is happening with the speeds in my location. So this is the final results, friends, and thank you for watching this video. And in case if you have any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below what are other phones you want me to compare regarding the speeds. So definitely I'll do my best to compare the 4G data, 4G ping value comparison between other phones. I'll definitely do that as soon as possible for you all. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until straight for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.